We'll have to keep watching these developments, but like you guys were pointing out, the fact that there is so much pressure in the broader markets, take a look at the advance decline ratio. We have 760 stocks which are advancing for over 2,000 which are declining. So that is the kind of, advance decline ratio that we have, heavily skewed in favor of the declines. If we can just get into some of the sectors which are seeing heavy sort of, selling in terms of the mid caps, you have the banking space that we just mentioned that has come under pressure right now. But take a look at mid cap IT. The overall IT index is holding up largely because of what's happening with Tech Mahindra and TCS, but take a look at some of the mid-cap IT names. So L&T, Tech, Sonata, these are just a few of the names. Persistent, Cyient, all of these seeing cuts right now. A lot of the auto ancillary companies are under pressure. Mahindra CIE, of course, because there was a block even for Sona, BLW, but for so many others, Samvardhana, Motherson is down sharply, Endurance Tech, Uno Minda, these are some of the companies which are seeing pretty sharp cuts coming through. And a lot of the fertilizer and sugar companies which rallied really hard on Thursday, Friday, they are coming in for some cuts right now. So NFL is down over 4% as well. So that's what's happening in terms of the market action. We will, keep talking about this as well. But let's now talk start the show by talking about some of these individual names. IndusInd Bank, like we told you, is in focus as the RBI has approved the extension of MD and CEO Sumant Kathpalia's term by 2 years, even as the bank has asked for a 3-year extension. The stock is under pressure. It is the biggest loser on the Nifty as well today. So Abhishek is here with all of the details on this one. Abhishek?
Well, as you mentioned, RBI has granted a 2-year extension to Mr. Sumant Kathpalia as the MD and CEO of the bank. Now, his current term was to end on 23rd March 2023. The board had asked for a 3-year extension, and a lower extension than what was sought for has not gone down well with the street. So, brokerages have mentioned for IndusInd Bank that the move from RBI has come as a negative surprise. However, the valuations are on cheaper side. On a 1-year forward basis, price to book value, the stock is available anywhere between 1.2 to 1.4 times, and one can use this correction to add further, as there is no risk to fundamentals of the bank. Now, brokerages like JP Morgan have downgraded the stock to neutral from overweight. The target price has been cut to 1,060 from 1,400. Jefferies has also cut the target price by ₹50 to about 1,550 per share. Other brokerages like Macquarie, Citi, Morgan Stanley, Motilal Oswal all remain positive on the stock, with the target price ranging from 1420 to as high as 1525. Now, we also have other MDs whose term will come to an end in calendar year 2023. So City Union Bank, AU Small Finance Bank and Karnataka Bank will see their MD CEO term ending in April 2023. ICICI Bank, SBI and SDFC, their top onco will have their term ending in October 2023. And for Kotak Bank, the term of Uday Kotak will end in December 2023. Back to you.
Thank you very much for that. Just to illustrate that point that Abhishek was making.